Take off.
Take off? What are you doing, babe?
Take off a pipe.
You're going to take off a pipe? Are you fixing it for me?
Fixing the pipes.
Fixing the pipes?
Daddy.
Yeah, there is some water in there. Are you fixing it? What? Oh, no, put that back, please.
Here go.
Okay, thank you. Can you do me a favor? What is that tool that you have? What's that called?
Wait.
You're right. Are you going to go get some more tools?
Yeah.
All right, hurry back.
Nails.
Oh, you brought some nails? Can I see them?
Nail. One nail.
Oh, you think that's going to help?
Yeah.
Yeah? You make a good plumber.
This one.
That one? That nail?
This one. Fix it. Oh no!
Oh no, what happened?
Bandage.
Oh, yeah, that's a Band-Aid. That's supposed to be in the garbage can. Can you put it back in the garbage for me?
Put down.
Oh, yeah, go put it in the trash can.
Put down.
That's just the wrapper that the Band-Aid comes in.
Go in.
Go in?
Yeah.
Can you put it in the trash?
Bandage.
Thank you.
Bandage. Go near.
Band-Aid goes there.
Bandage. Go near.
Are those nails?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to use them to fix the sink?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you looking for your wrench? You left it right here.
Here.
Do you need more tools?
Yeah.
Like maybe
Nails.
nails? What else do you need to fix the sink? Something else?
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Bring the whole toolbox. Yeah.
Two. Nail.
What did you find?
Fix it.
What is it? Oh, right. Yep, I see what that is. What other tools do you have? Well, show Mommy.
Tools.
Well, show me.
Tools.
Do you have a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Fix it. Make one.
Oh, you're going to use those nuts.
Use the nuts.
Mm-hmm.
Fix it the nuts.
The nuts and the bolts. Do you need a bolt to go with it?
Bold. Fix it a nail. Red one.
A red one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fix it.
Oh, that looks like it would work really well.
Ta-da. Use a green. Use the red one.
That's a yellow one.
Yellow one fix. Yellow one fix.
Mm-hmm.
And red one.
The red one. That might work better.
Little hot. Little hot.
A little hot?
Little hot.
Hot or hard? Like difficult?
Hot.
Hot. Like a temperature hot?
Hot.
Hot. Okay.
Hot. Hot. Hot.
Or hard?
Hot.
Hard. Like difficult.
Hot and difficult.
Difficult. Yeah.
Neil.
Oh, that might work. Put a nail on there.
Too busy.
Too busy?
Yeah.
Who's too busy?
Nicholas too busy.
What are you too busy for?
Nicholas too busy.
Too busy to say hi to Daddy?
Too busy to get work done.
Too busy to get work done.
Fix it, the pipe. Nicholas fixing the pipe.
Are you fixing the pipes?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Pipes and nail. Fixing the pipes and fixing the pipes and nail. Fixing the pipes and nail. Fixing the pipe.
You fixing the pipes?
Fixing the pipe and nail.
Nicholas, you're a really excellent plumber.
Poop. Yucky.
Yucky!
Poopy.
Well, I don't think there's poop in there, but there is some trash and garbage. Yep.
Cactus in it.
Yep, that's where we keep the garbage.
Cactus in it.
There's crackers in there?
Cactus a bag. Cactus a bag.
Crackers in the bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think that's because they fell on the floor, so we threw them away.
Go away, cactus.
Mm-hmm.
Go away, cactus. Go away.
Yep.
Cactus, go away.
Crackers go away.
Blueberries all gone.
The blueberries are all gone. We had blueberries for lunch, didn't we?
Blueberries all gone.
And who ate them?
Nicholas eating.
Nicholas ate them? Did Mommy eat some? Yeah?
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Turn off, turn off.
Turn off the camera?
Yeah.
All right, I will.
Turn off our turn off our stove.
Turn off the stove? That's the refrigerator.
Go off.
The refrigerator goes off?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that probably wouldn't be very good if it happened.
Happened. Fix it. Fix it.
Oh, good. You fixed the refrigerator for me.
Works.
It works now?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for fixing it.
Fixing the pipes.
You fixing the pipes too?
Fixing the hole.
Yeah.
Fixing the hole.
Oh, the hole where the paper towels go?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That was goes.
The paper towels go on that stick, don't they?
Yep.
Yep.
Fixing the pipes.
Yeah, I know it. You're a good plumber.
Put the pocket.
You're gonna put your wrench in your pocket?
Yeah.
Okay. You put it in your pocket, and then Mommy will turn off the camera.
Fix it.
Do you need a little help?
Fixing.
Oh, you're gonna go back to fixing? Okay. Well, I'm gonna turn off the camera now, okay?
Fixing the pipes.
You say bye-bye.
Bye.
You say love you.
Love you.
I love you too.
Open, open, open.